Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by preventing further data loss. Stop using the phone or SD card so deleted files aren't overwritten. Connect the device to a powered computer with a reliable USB cable. Make sure battery stays charged during recovery. Next, identify the operating system, Android, iOS, Windows, or Mac OS, because tools and permissions differ. Once done, enable developer/file transfer mode on phones. Install any required drivers on the PC. And prepare a destination drive with enough free space. You now run the recovery software with administrator privileges to access low-level storage. Select a deep or full scan rather than a quick scan so the tool reads entire sectors. Filter for common photo formats like JPG, HEIC, and PNG to speed results. While scanning, watch progress but don't interrupt. If the drive seems unstable, reduce CPU load and retry. Once the tool lists recoverable images, preview and mark those you need. Then export them to an external drive, never the original device, to avoid overwriting. You finish by verifying every recovered photo opens correctly and organizing them into folders for immediate backup to cloud or an external drive. If some images are corrupted, make sure you tried multiple recovery tools and use a file repair utility for common header errors. Sometimes exporting as raw data, then repairing headers fixes images. If recovery fails, consider professional services. But first, check the original media with hardware diagnostics. Finally, make a habitual backup plan so this recovery process won't be necessary again.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.